What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable notifications when playing games on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you see Focus. Tap on it to view your existing focus modes. If you already have a gaming focus mode listed, go ahead and tap on it. If you don't see one, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose Gaming and then tap Next. Now you're in the setup screen for gaming focus. The first option you will see is Allowed Notifications. Tap on People and then select Allow Notifications From and choose any contacts, like family members or close friends who you still want to reach while you're gaming. Tap on Done when you're finished. Next, tap on Apps. Here, you can decide which apps are allowed to send you notifications during your gaming sessions. Tap Add App, select any apps you want to hear from, maybe music or messaging apps, and tap Done. Any apps you don't add to this list will be silenced when gaming focus is active. If you'd like, you can also tap Options at the bottom of the screen to schedule gaming focus to turn on automatically whenever you open a game-specific app. Once you've customized your allowed people and apps, simply exit Settings. To activate your new gaming focus, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap the Focus button, then tap Gaming. You will see the focus icon turned on, indicating that gaming focus is now active. While gaming focus is on, all notifications from silenced contacts and apps will be held back, so you can enjoy your game without any pop-ups or banners. When you're ready to return to normal, just open the control center again, tap Focus, and tap Gaming to turn it off. If you find that your menus look different, or you can't find these options, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS by going to your settings, tapping on General, and then Software Update. Keeping your software up to date will ensure you have the latest focus features. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.